Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we show you how to send Robux on Roblox. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So first let's go to Roblox and then let's log in on our account. Now that we are logging on to our account, let's go to the left side and you will find here a menu. Just go to exchange. You will find here, just click here. And then you will have here the exchange. You can select in trance, outspot, complete, or inactive. So in this case in trance I will write it, and you have to select the quality filter. In this case I want to hide it. Okay, now that we have it, just select the person that you prefer send. Okay, so if you want to send or you have Robux, you will appear this icon that appears here in your right side here. So just go here and select your Robux, and then you can send to the person that you prefer, to your friend on Robux. So guys, I hope this information works for you. As you can see, it's very easy to do it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give thumb up, and if you help this video, please subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.